Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Knowledge Mantra. Today we'll be learning about rows and columns. There's a function called row and column. If you write rows, ROW, it will return the row number of a reference. Now how do we use it? Say for example, there is a cell here, we highlight it, and we write any random number, say 10. Now if I want to know the row number and the column number of this particular cell, what do I need to do is I need to write is equal to row and I say L4. Now this is the fourth row. We can see this is the fourth row. If I want to find say column number, what I need to do is I need to what I can do is I need to write L4 and enter. This is the 12th column. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So by this we can find the exact reference, the exact location of the number. For example, if I want to find the reference number of this row, what I can do is equal to row ROW, this thing, and this is the 8th row as we can see. So this is how we can use it in a lot of formulas. We can use it in a lot of match functions. We can use it in column functions, and this is how we use it. This is the row and the column function. If you like this video, please like and share, and for more such tips related to Excel and PowerPoint, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.